Alright, y'all, welcome back to Wrong Reviews. I'm Wrong, and we have the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It just arrived about 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. Let's get started right into it. We're gonna open this box up. I've already cut all the wrappers and all that stuff off just so we can get right on in. Alright, let's see what we get in this box. So, there's the phone right there. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. Let's see. Okay, so we get the free clear case with the phone. Nice. Oh, okay. Nice, very nice. I will be putting that on there. I love clear cases because I love being able to see my phone. Let's see what else we got in here. Just paperwork. All right, all right. Let's put that out of the way to the side. And now I'll put all this stuff back together later. All right, we're going to take the phone out. Let's see if we can get it out of there without ripping the paper. Okay. Let's, ooh, yeah, yep. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we get in here. 90-watt charger. And it came with the US standard. Nice, nice. All right, put that right there. And we got the USB-C. Okay, USB-A to USB-C. Okay, cool. Not mad at that at all. Okay. All right, and I think that's all we have. Now, I must have missed the, hold on, what else is down here? Nothing? Oh, just, okay. Nothing, okay. Same, okay. All right. I must have missed the SIM ejector tool in here somewhere, but I have 1,000 of those things laying around, so I'm not really worried about it too much. So, let's throw all this back together real quick. Let's get to the main event. All right. Put that over there. All right, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Let's go ahead and open that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, let's take that off. Over there. Look at that. Yeah, I'm popping my SIM tool in this thing right away. Okay. I don't have my microfiber cloth over here, but I have something over here I can use. Okay. Look at that. Let's do that first power on, so we can see that all together. All right. And like I said, this thing just came in. I just took all the packaging off of it and fired up the camera so we could see this together because I was actually excited about this. I have been waiting on this one for a little while. Ever since I first became aware about, oh, hold on, we powered right on into the OS. Oh, so I'm wondering if they powered the phone on and installed the Play Store. Look at that. All right, so I got to log into all of that. Okay, and I need to turn on gestures immediately. Oh, I don't have gestures. I'm not used to it. I don't know how to function. Okay, we got the two notification screen control center here. All right, I likes it. All right, so where is, how do I get the settings? Oh, this is all, look at that. Okay, I like, oh, because it was on the home screen. I just swiped over. So I have an update already. I'll probably do that in a minute. So yeah, just want you guys to see me, the initial reaction to it. I guess I'll agree to themes. Look at that. Okay, look, I'm not gonna make this a lengthy video. This was just supposed to be a super quick unboxing. Okay, so we got the clear case, we got the cable, we got the charger, we got the phone. Okay, put that case on there, and we got the screen protector came on there already, and they set up the device already. Good stuff. I'm excited about this. Okay, so I will be back. Probably I'm gonna do my quick 1 day review tomorrow of it after I get it set up to look how I want it to look. Yeah, guys, come back and see my review setup, things I'm learning as I go because this is my first Xiaomi device. So got some good stuff coming, y'all. All right, appreciate y'all tuning in for this unboxing, and I'll catch y'all next one. Later.